Hello everybody, this is Jacob at Nexus, and welcome to 96 Penn Street, Unit 1R, located in Providence, Rhode Island. This is a first floor unit located to the right of the building, and it houses 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. Before I begin the walkthrough for this unit, I would like to remind everybody to please subscribe to the Nexus Property Management YouTube channel. You can view all of our walkthroughs that we will have available on our site, as well as any news related to real estate and property management. Thank you very much. So we're going to begin the walkthrough of this apartment in the kitchen area. You can see it's a nice open, centralized kitchen, leads to all the other rooms in the apartment. Houses a tile flooring, as well as the bathroom also houses the same tile flooring. Something else you'll notice in here is a nice fresh coat of paint on the walls, which looks very clean, very nice. As stated before, it's very open in here, so you should have plenty of room in here for a dining set, no problem at all. And the apartment also houses gas baseboard heat, which is available in all the rooms of the apartment. Couple of outlets in here as well for any electronics you'd like to put in here. And some of the appliances in here include the 4-burner gas stove, the medium-sized refrigerator, the double bin stainless steel sink with a spray nozzle, and plenty of cabinets and shelves for any kind of storage you'd like to have in here, along with a nice wide countertop. Awesome. Right over here is a little bit of a shelf space too, closet space, located right in the kitchen as well. Awesome. All right, so first we'll look at the first bedroom located to the left. These bedrooms house a hardwood flooring. Both are relatively the same size as each other, medium range I would say. Should be able to fit a standard size bed in here, no problem. You can try for a queen, but obviously we'll be limited on the other furniture you can bring in here. Once again, they house the gas baseboard heat and plenty of outlets. And each bedroom does come with their own closet. Something else I'd like to point out is upon move-in, you will be internet and cable ready and hooked up. And some of the other features with this apartment include 1 off-street parking spot available to you upon move-in. And pets are okay here as well, as long as they are cats and small dogs. The dogs cannot be above 50 pounds with a monthly fee. Also, the basement of the building allows for storage and also houses coin-operated laundry. Very convenient. Awesome. This is a second bedroom located to the right side. Once again, gas baseboard heat, plenty of outlets, fresh paint, and its own closet space. Very nice. Awesome. Last but not least, we will look at the bathroom. It's a smaller size bathroom, but obviously houses necessities, including the full tub and shower right over here. Has a nice new tile walling. Looks very clean, very new. Awesome. Right over here is the small sink with some cabinets underneath for some storage. And a nice little medicine cabinet with a mirror. And as you walk into the bathroom, you will be greeted by the Nexus welcoming package, bringing you into the apartment with all of your showering amenities included. Very nice. So once again, this is 96 Penn Street, Unit 1R, located in Providence, Rhode Island. And I'd like to remind everybody once again to please subscribe to the Nexus Property Management YouTube channel so you can keep up to date with all of the listings that we put on our site, as well as any news related to real estate and property management. Thank you very much.